Okay. Next one, we talk about the third criterion. That is decision making with probability. Maximum likelihood criterion. First step, we identify the state nature with the largest prior probability. So let's look at the table. In this table, we have two state of nature. Fine oil is what? 25% chance. Underground is dry is 75% chance. You compare these two. 75% chance is larger than what? 25% chance. So this one is more likely to happen. Okay? So let me write it down. Underground dry, the chance is what? 3 in 4, which is bigger than fine oil underground. That is also 1 in 4. So this is most likely to happen. Okay? And then after you find out which one is more likely to happen, which is underground is dry. When underground is dry, let's go back to look at the payoff table. When underground is dry, you're going to lose what? $1,000 for drilling. And you will gain what? $90,000 for sale the land. Okay? So, when underground is dry, when underground is dry, that means no oil. Take action 1. The company lost what? The company lost $1,000. Lost $100,000. And if you take action 2, if the decision maker take action 2, sell the land, you will get $90,000. So the max of the two. It's just what? Just 90K. So where's the 90K coming from? 90K come from what? Take action 2. That is, sell the land. So we conclude if maximum likelihood criterion is used, the optimum strategy is to what? Is to sell the land. Okay? That's optimal strategy. Okay, let's look at the last one. The last one is based on what? The expected payoff in the payoff table. Okay? So the last one, decision making with probability based decision rules. The judgment is based on the expected payoff. Okay? So first we calculate the expected payoff if action 1 is used, or you use alternative 1. Okay? Look at the table. Action 1 or alternative 1, 3 for oil. If you find oil, the profit is what? 700K. No oil, lost 100K. But how likely you find oil underground? That chance is 25% chance. Okay? So this money weighted by what? The chance. And lost 100K weighted by what? Is chance. Okay? So expected payoff, you write in 2 cases. First case, you find oil underground. The profit will be $700,000. But how likely you find oil underground? It times the probability you find oil underground. Then plus the company lost 100K. When this is what? No oil underground. Underground is dry. Okay? So this will be 700K times 1/4 minus 100K times what? Times 3/4. So what's the number? This is 700K minus 300K. So this is 100K. When you take action 1, you drill for oil, okay? The expected payoff is $100,000. But when you take action 2, you sell the land, 90K times probably there's oil underground. Plus, when underground has no oil, underground is right, the company still get what? 90K. So expected payoff if action 2 is taken is just 90,000K. And you take the max amount of expected payoff A1 and expected payoff of A2. So you are comparing between what? 100K and 90K. The largest one obviously is what? 100K. So where's the 100K coming from? It's coming from you sell the land, okay? It's coming from you sell the land. So we can say if base decision rule criterion is used, okay, the optimal strategy is what? Is action 1, okay? 3 for oil. It's 3 for oil, okay? 3 for oil is what? Optimal strategy. If we use what? Base decision rule, okay?